In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to fix a common problem when your video is playing but there's no sound coming out. Most of the time this happens because the wrong audio output device is selected in the audio hardware settings. Let's fix it step by step. First, go to the top menu and click Edit. Now, choose Preferences and then click on Audio Hardware. Inside the audio hardware settings, look for Default Output. Click on the drop-down menu. Here, you'll see available audio devices connected to your system, such as your speakers, headphones, or external audio interface. Select the correct output device that you are currently using. If you're using headphones, make sure your headphones are selected. If you're using speakers, select your speaker output. Now click OK. Next, go to your timeline and press play. Your sound should now work. If you still don't hear audio, also check. Make sure the track is not muted. Make sure the master audio level is not lowered. Check your system volume settings. But in most cases, changing the default output device in audio hardware fixes the issue. And that's it. You now know how to fix no sound output and change audio hardware settings in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.